Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be testing this $5 router bit from AliExpress. AliExpress is a Chinese website where you can order lots of stuff, also woodworking stuff, for low prices. Shipping is free. This router bit cost me around $5, shipping included, so let's give it a go. I wonder what the quality is of this product. It looks good to me. So well, I routed this whole piece of wood. It's actually kind of straight. There's not that much lines. There are lines of course, but you can sand them. So that's no problem. I say for $5, this is a great catch. The router bit looks good after routing. It isn't damaged, so I can use it again. I don't know how long it will last, but I can buy around 10 of these for the price of one router bit from the woodworking store, so that's okay. If I only route one piece of wood with a router bit, it even saves money compared to the other router bits you can buy at the woodworking store. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would be really grateful for that. I'll post a link to this product on AliExpress in the description below. Make sure to buy it for yourself. You can really use it. It's very cheap. So if you got any comments or you want me to test something else from AliExpress, make sure to post your comments in the comment section below. Like this video for me please. Check out my other videos and I'll see you again soon with another product from AliExpress.